In today's video, I want to introduce a special indicator on TradingView that is designed for scalping on 1 minute, 5 minutes, and 15 minutes chart. To add this amazing indicator to our chart, here we click on indicators and we search L3 God Hunter Scalping, this one, which is written by Black Cat 1402. Alright, this is the indicator, and as you can see, it's added here below the chart. This indicator is built based on stochastic, KDJ, and RSI, and by the help of a special calculations and combinations of these indicators, it responds very well to short-term noises but still remains very stable to find the actual points of reversal in the market. As you can see, we have a line here that is oscillating above and below the center line, and we have also small labels showing buy sell signals, which are actually showing very short-term movements of the market, and we have also these signals, confirmed bearish or bullish signals, which are actually divergence signals showing us that the direction of the market is going to change and we're going to have a reversal. In this video, in the strategy that I'm going to explain, we focus on these signals, and we need also add another indicator for more confirmation. So again, here we click on indicators and we search Andean oscillator, this one, which is an editor specs indicator and written by Alex Grover. Alright, now by the help of these two indicators, we will be able to take the best signals with the highest probability. When we have a confirmed bearish signal, which means there is a divergence between this line and the price movement, it gives us the signal that probably we will have a reversal, a downside reversal, and the price is going to decline. We can enter a trade by the help of two methods. The first one would be based on price action, and this is a more aggressive method and you take more risk. In this method, we draw a line here at the low of the swing low that is created here, and when we get a candle closed below the line, we enter a trade. So an aggressive and high risk trade entry would be here at this point when this new candle is opened, with the stop loss above the previous swing high and the profit at 1.5 risk to reward ratio. To have a lower risk trade entry, we can use Andean oscillator. When we have the price closed below the line in Andean oscillator, we wait for the red line to cross above the orange line, which happened here at this point. So a lower risk trade entry would be here when this new candle is opened, with the stop loss above the previous swing high and the profit at 1.5 risk to reward ratio. Alright, moving on the chart, here we have a confirmed bullish signal, which shows a bullish divergence and so probability of an upside reversal. For high risk trade entry, we draw a line here at the high of the swing high, and as you can see, the price couldn't cross above this line and we had more declining of the price. And also in Andean oscillator, we didn't get crossing of green line above the orange line. For a bullish signal or long position setup in Andean oscillator, the green line should cross above the orange line. Alright, moving on the chart, here first we got a confirmed bearish signal, but before having red line crossing above the orange line, we got also a confirmed bullish signal. When we have this situation, it shows that the price is in a trading range. Let me mark the trading range here so we can fine tune our trade entry later. Alright, so as I said, when we have this situation, the price is in a trading range and moving in a rectangle pattern, and breaking on each side is probable. From here at this point, you can see that the green line crossed above the orange line, which shows bullish pressure, but to lower our risk, we wait until we get a candle closed above the range, so we will be sure that the price is out of the range. As you can see, the breakout happened here by the help of this candle, so we can enter a long position here at this point when this new candle is opened. The stop loss for this trade is placed below the previous swing low and the profit at 1.5 risk to reward ratio. Alright, after this trade here we had a confirmed bearish signal, but no crossing of the price below the low of the swing low, and also no crossing of red line above the orange line, so this signal is rejected. Moving on the chart, here we have another confirmed bearish signal. We draw a line here at the low of the swing low so we can better fine tune our trade entry. As you can see, the price crossed below this line here at this point by the help of this candle, and at the same time in Andean oscillator, the red line crossed above the orange line, so we can enter a short position here at this point when this new candle is opened. And this trade is also a successful trade, as you can see, where the price declined down to this point. Alright, moving on the chart, here again we have this situation where we got two signals at the same time, which shows range market or consolidation period. Let's mark the range market so we can fine tune our trade entry later. Alright, first you can see that that we got the green line crossing above the orange line, but as I said, in this situation you must wait for a breakout, and you can see that it didn't happen. And after this, the red line crossed above the orange line, and at the same time this candle is closed below the range, so we can enter a short position here at this point when this new candle is opened, with the stop loss above the previous swing high and the profit with 1.5 risk to reward ratio. Please pay attention that although this trading strategy is very accurate, but this doesn't mean it will not give you false signals. No trading strategy is capable of this, and losing trades are always part of the game, so you need to manage your risk properly. There is a risk management strategy that is called 1% rule, and it's a perfect choice for scalping strategies. I have a complete guide on this. The link is also placed in the description, and I highly recommend you to watch it, because without a proper risk management strategy you cannot become a successful trader. Alright, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask and leave a comment for me. I'll answer your questions as soon as possible. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell so you get the notifications of my new videos. See you guys in next video, and good luck with your trading.